Let's check out the convertible soft top in the all-new Thar. Let's fold the soft top first. Unzip and remove the left canopy window. After that, unzip and remove the right canopy window. Open the tailgate. Then remove the tailgate bar. Once you're done, unlatch the left corner fabric panel and then unlatch the right corner fabric panel. After that, unzip and remove the rear canopy window. Unlock the top latches from inside the cabin front and ensure that the lock hook is properly released. Then fold up the left and right corner fabric panels. Hold the bow rod with one hand and push the soft top upwards with the bottom hand. Then push and fold back the soft top. Tie the bow rods with the retention strap. Do it on the other side as well. Let's refit the soft top. Remove the retention straps from the bow rods. Hold the front bow rod and lift the canopy up. Then gently close the canopy, holding both the bow rods. Latch the front bow from both the sides. Ensure that the lock hook is secured. Then put back the rear canopy window. Connect the insertion pin of the zipper to its retainer box and zip it. Secure both the corner fabric panels. After that, you gotta fit back the tailgate bar. Then fit back the side canopy windows. Job done.